Fear. Absolute fear. There was nobody brave, nobody saying, come on, let's go and do it. And it was really unbelievable. You had to be in it to know it. We were on the boat all night. I don't know where we came from, Plymouth or somewhere, and we were at sea all night, but not going directly to the land, just waiting for the word to go, and then we just went in. Because they dropped the brake thing and we went down. But the trouble is we went down in water that night, and we had 2 machine gun things on the beach, and they were both raining on that spot where we landed, and with that many bloody casualties, you couldn't believe it.
Did you see a lot of men fall?
Hundreds. Headless, because the machine guns on the beach was fixed for heads as you landed. You just tried to dig in, but it's a soft sand, so you could only dig about that deep.
And was there incoming fire?
Oh, all the time. And air fire, low-flying airplanes flying over the top of you and dropping bombs on you. Bombs, not just machine gun fire. Only carried off by my comrade. I couldn't walk off. I was wounded in the legs. And they were all shrapnel wounds. All over the body, peppered. I had a lot taken out. And when it was all over, they took me to Sheffield in a big military hospital, and they worked on me there and took out anything they could take out, they took out. And the pieces, big as a bloody, they ate me. We should be proud of what we did and what our comrades did, but it was so horrendous, we can't be proud of it.